Hello everyone. On the previous class, we all saw about the topic hobby, and we also saw about the a boy money, and now we are going to see about his feeling for writing as his hobby. Yeah. Writing is a unique hobby because most people don't want to exhaust themselves in their spare time. What he is saying, writing is one of the unique hobby, different hobby because most of the people don't want to get exhaust. What is mean by exhaust? It is nothing but tire out. It does mean the tired. Okay, they want to get tired. They don't want to get tired in their free time, a spare time. And many feel that writing is tough, but I do not think so. Many of them feel that writing is a tough thing, but he doesn't feel like that, doesn't think like that. I feel writing is the painting our voice. How he is feeling about the writing? He's feeling that writing is nothing but painting of our voice, a painting of our voice. He was saying that he was considering that writing as a painting one of his voice, of his expression, okay, of his thought. When I get free time, I pick a pen and a notebook and start painting my ideas in words. What he is saying, when he got a free time, he just picked his pen. He just took his pen and a notebook and start painting his ideas. And what is here? Start painting his my ideas means in words. He began to write his ideas in words. Okay, I write stories, poems, and sometimes about my feelings. What he does, he wrote the stories, poems, and sometimes how he is feeling. If he felt happy, for what reason he is feeling happy like that, he began to write. My mind relaxes when I pour my thought as words, so writing energizes me. According to him, his mind got relaxed when he poured his thoughts in the words in the way of writing. So he is feeling that writing energizes him. Okay, when I write things, my imagination is at its best. When he began to write, his imagination is at the peak, at the best thing. Okay, I imagine a world with magic and magicians where I can fly and birds can talk. What he's saying, he just imagined a world. He was just imagining a world with full of magicians and the magics. So where he can able to fly and the birds, we all know we can't able to fly and the birds can't able to talk, but he's just imagining he was imagining in the world of magicians, the world of magic, he can fly and the birds can able to talk, like that he was imagining. Writing helps me completely immerse into that world. He was saying while writing, he just got into the world deeply. Immerse means go into the world deeply. Sometimes I sit with small children and entertain them with these stories of mine. And sometimes he just sat with the children and by neighborhood children, like that. He just entertained them by saying the stories written by his own. The happiness of their face makes me to write more and better. What he's saying, while saying those stories, those children felt very happy. So that brings him a happiness, a pleasant thing, and also he began to write more and more better things. Although writing is just a hobby for me, yet it is very beneficial. What he is saying, writing is just a hobby for him, but he is feeling that will give him very benefits, a lot of benefits. It opens my mind to think beyond the little things with a broader mind. What he's saying, even in the smaller thing, he was just broader his mind to see the biggest one. Okay, it makes me more passionate about my life. He was feeling that what is the meaning of passionate? With full of intense, with full of heartfelt. He's saying that it makes his life more passionate. It makes me learn new things and enjoy every moment of my life. What he is saying, writing just made him to learn many new things, and also he began to enjoy every moment in his life. And here is one writing of Mark Twain. writing is easy. What he is saying, write is one of the easy thing. All you have to do is cross out the wrong words. We just cross out the wrong things and cross out the wrong words and combine the words, and we need to give that. So this is the writing of Mark Twain. My hobby helped me in school too. What he is saying, his hobby helped him in school. Let me see what it was helpful to him. When I started writing things, I was unable to describe them accurately. Everyone have this problem. While starting any other new thing, we just have a problem how to start, how to begin, and how to end up like that. So while he started writing things, he was unable to describe and how to end them accurately. Accurately means exactly. With the time, my experience helped me think of new ideas, and this made me a good writer. What he is saying, because of his experience, because of his regular practice, it helped him to think of many new things, many new ideas, and that made him to be a good writer. Now I look out for things which I was not able to see before. He was saying the can't seen things. Before he can't able to see some other things, but now he look out for things for his writing. Okay, hence I can describe things better in my stories. In his stories, he just described his better in a better way about all the things. I feel no problem with writing English essays or stories as it is my hobby. Why? Because of his writing practice, he felt no other problem in writing an essay or a story, because it was his hobby. To become a better writer, I spent time on learning how to write in different forms like fiction and non-fiction. What is the meaning of fiction here? Imaginative writing. We need to imagine something and give the fantasy thing. And the non-fiction is the non-imaginative and the present writing. Yes. He is saying to become a better writer, he spent his learning time how we can write the different stories in the form of the fiction, in the form just imaginative and the creative stories, like that he just spent time. It is important to always learn and improve our hobbies. Who knows? It is important. We need to learn many other things, and also we need to improve our hobbies. Yes. He was saying, one day I could be a writer like a R.K. Narayanan. Who is R.K. Narayanan?